found in a lot of UK gardens, and they can be worked on all year round as long as the tree is healthy. This is one I've been working on for the last couple of years, and we've also got this other one. It came from the same collection that's just been clipped and grown in a pond basket. And today we're going to be working on this tree, and we're going to push it to its limits. Bit of carving, bit of wiring, and a repot. Look forward to it. There we go, we're done for today, and as you can see the branches have been put in place, and now we just need to start building on the ramification and the foliage, and it should be a lovely tree in no time. I look forward to update more in the future. If you like this video, please comment, like or subscribe. If you don't, then no worries about it. See you in the next one.